Hello and welcome. This is Ava with the Candy Cash Flow podcast and heyoava.com. I just thought I would run over a quick little tutorial about how I use Feedly to find great content to share on social media. So I have Feedly pulled up here. That's Feedly, Feedly.com. And what this is it's an RSS feed reader. If you've been around for a while, then you might remember Google's Google Reader. It was quite the hit. And a lot of websites around that time actually had RSS feed icons where you could just click and add it to your website, to your feed reader. RSS is not as prominent on websites anymore, but it is far from dead because you can do so many things with it. It stands for Really Simple Syndication. And you can grab that feed. It's in XML code, actually. And it's what, like, your sitemap for your website's made out of. Things like that. So it grabs that feed and pulls all of your latest articles in, and it just kind of spreads them out all over the place, all over the internet. So, like if you use WordPress, there's a part in your settings where you can add different ping services where every time you publish a post, it'll send a ping to that service and let them know, oh, there's a new article available. All of that centers around RSS, and it's a way to get your content out there and spread over more area. Okay, so one of the big things with social media is that, it can take some time to go out and really find good content. You have to be pretty well read online to be able to satisfy the demand. So I just recently started using this. I use it both for myself as well as a few of my clients. And it's just a great way to find content in any niche. So let's have a look. When you first log in or create your account, you're going to end up on this add content screen. And here you can type, as you can see, your title, URL, or topic. And this will actually pull up really easily blogs for you to follow. So let's see. Let me think of a keyword that I don't have as a list right now. Let's say, help me think of something. Let's do blogging. Okay, so I've typed in blogging as my keyword, and as you'll see, the results are right on this same page. I didn't even have to click enter or press enter or anything, and I can go right down and I can click follow on all these. I happen to know a number of these are really good blogs to follow. ProBlogger, that one's ran by Darren Rouse. He's been around since the beginning, pretty much, of blogging. He was like the first really big blogger on the block. Copy Blogger, then you got Smart Passive Income Blog with Pat Flynn. Yoast, they run a very good free SEO plugin for WordPress. I use it on all my sites. Goins Writer, this is Jeff Goins. He's relatively new. I would say in the last 5 years or so, his business has really exploded in self-publishing. Let's see. Yeah, so you can go down and you can add all of these, and when you add one, like I'll just click one, you can add it to a subject or a topic that you create. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in blogging, and this is a new feed, so I'm going to create it. And then I can go down and add some of the other, it suggests me some here, but I can go right down and add some of these ones that I was just talking about. I'm already following Pat in another one. Let's see. Chris Brogan. Let's follow Jeff. Yeah, so once I've done that, once I've set this up initially, and probably the first time that I logged into this. It probably took me maybe 10 or 15 minutes to set it up. As you can see, it's a really quick process. You just type in your word and start adding feeds to it. Now, when I'm ready to fill up my buffer, I have my buffer open right here. When I'm ready to fill up my queue, I just open it up over here in this tab. And if you have a paid Feedly account, which I don't know how much it is. It's enough that I'm not willing to pay for it at this time. But if you have a paid account, you can add directly to your buffer right from the headline feed here. So it's really convenient if you want to do like me and you don't want to pay for Feedly at this juncture. I just click the Twitter here and just copy and paste. So let's put a couple things in the queue and I'll show you how it works. Let's see. And also, this is like the all view. You can also view these like one at a time. It's a little less to digest. So, and there's also different views. Like you can view it in the magazine, cards, article view. I just like the list view because it has that Twitter link that I need. So while sometimes it would be more simple to look at it in that view so I could see the pictures and whatnot, this is just easier because it has that link I need. So let's just usually find a lot of things in business. Let's see. Let's share this. So I click the Twitter icon and I just go in here and I Control A for select all, Control C for copy. Then I close this and I go over to buffer, open this up, make sure it's clicked to Twitter, wait for it to load because it'll load some images here and I can select one. I always try to select an image if there's a relevant one. And that's it, and I just add it to my queue and then I'm back over here ready to do it again. Let's see. I'll show you something a little bit different. Does take some attention and reading. Let's see. I usually find a pretty good headlines in here right away. Nothing's just really jumping out today for some reason. Well, this looks like a good piece. So click the Twitter again. Control A for select all. Control C for copy. And then I just paste it right in here. Wait for my photo to load. I'm not going to select that one because I've already posted that one with several other tweets recently. Add it to the queue. It might publish it anyway. I don't know. Now, you'll notice that time I didn't close my Twitter window, and those will accumulate if you don't keep them closed. So if you happen to lock up your browser and you don't know why, that's probably why. So I'll just do one more and then I'll wrap this up. 6 tips to ensuring. You can actually like read the articles too if you click on the title. I'll open it right up for you to read. So it's really a good way to keep up with news in your niche. Control A to select all, Control C to copy, close it, over to buffer, paste it in, wait for the image to load, select it, add to queue. That's it. So as you can see, you can go all and you can just go down this whole list and just anything you see tweet it out, or you can go one thing at a time and just pull the really cool stuff that your eyes land on. Cool. It's a great way to use Feedly to fill up your social media posting queues. If you found this video helpful, I hope that you will consider subscribing. This has been Ava, and I hope you have a great day.